Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl here, Desma Bloom, and today I'm sharing something on these handmade beaded drape necklaces. And guess what, I finally get to show you all of them on me. So let's get right into it. Don't forget to like, comment your file, and of course subscribe for more DIY jewelries and lifestyle content. As a bead artist based in Kenya, I love mixing colors, culture, and creativity. These drape necklaces take hours of patience, but the final look, wow, totally worth it. Earthy green goddess, a calm rooted look, great with browns and creams. This royal blue statement, it's elegant and deep. Blue is just a mood. We call this coral flame. It's warm and bold, it turns heads wherever you go. We call these minimal turquoise layers. Simplicity speaks. This turquoise beauty is so versatile. We call this black and gold elegance. This one gives you a queen vibes, bold, sleek, and it can dress up anything. Diamond weave detail. Look at the center pattern. It took forever but came out perfect. I call this sunset ombre. I love how the colors melt from orange to gold because it also reminds me of a Kenyan sunset. The blend of purple and gold, wow. We call it purple sparkle, classy and dramatic. You can literally wear this to a red carpet. Color Festival Pop, playful and vibrant. I would wear this to a festival or event. We call this red green Afro glam. This is full of culture and energy, perfect for those bold days. So that's it, 10 different beaded drape necklaces, all handmade by yours truly, Desma Bloom. I'd love to know which one is your absolute favorite. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, if you're interested in buying or want a custom one made just for you, check out the description box for more information or DM me on Instagram at Desma Bloom Beaded Lifestyle and DIY.